my dear guys? Well, first, good morning, everybody. I'm super happy to see you all here. Is anybody missing today?
Daphne and Amelia. Israel Cabrera.
Daphne, Amelia, and Israel. Okay. Well, my dear guys, first I would like to ask you, what are the tools, the technological tools that you use as a student? I mean, I know you use Spotify, YouTube, and so on, but what is a tool, a digital tool that you use as a student that helps you? Okay, ChatGPT, Canva, Photomat. What do you use it for?
For math.
It's like a ChatGPT for math.
Do you think that pronunciation is important in English? Yes or no? Joaquin, do you think that pronunciation is important in English class?
Yes, because I don't know.
If you don't know, say, how do I read this? Maybe you can go to Google Translate or ChatGPT and say, how do I pronounce this? You listen to and now you very good, right? With no books, with nothing. It's gonna be friendlier. What I want you to do, please. On page 98, guys, we have the vocabulary list. Word. And today's lesson objective is that you try to improve your pronunciation skills by interacting with AI tools. So first I would like you to read it all, okay, do it individually, and underline or circle the words that you find a little bit difficult to read. You said, no teacher, I don't find any word that is difficult to pronounce, no problem, but try to find one, yeah? Especially when we have new vocabulary, it can be a little bit difficult to pronounce because we don't know the words. Like in this case, entertainment. Yeah? Find a new one. I'm gonna show you an example. Once I was talking to a friend. That friend didn't speak Spanish at all. And we were talking about a teacher. And I said, the teacher, I didn't do that because I was so busy. Was it correct? I wanted to say busy. But I made a mistake. And I said, I was so bossy. And she said, why? And I said, because I said I was bossy, so I couldn't do the homework. I had many things to do. And she said, bossy, you really were bossy? Or you were busy? And I said, busy, bossy, I don't know. And she said, no, there is a huge difference. Busy is when you have no time, a lot of things to do. And bossy comes from the boss. So you give orders, and you're always angry, and you don't want anybody to tell you something different than you think. That is bossy, right? Mandón. See, mandón. Busy means exactly.
Definition is busy.
Busy. Exactly. This one, and this one. Mm-hmm. Something we eat. Beer day also.
It was a bad word that can be confused with how
Yes. Exactly. Sometimes with pronunciation we can make huge mistakes. Exactly. And some people can get confused. Right? Please. How do I pronounce? Magazine. Circle the words, and then we're going to use artificial intelligence to do this exercise.
AI is my friend.
Of course? Yeah. Guys, those who have a phone with internet connection, please stand. Internet access. Please, internet access. Mr. Rosales, you said that you had a phone with internet access. Do you? Stand. Stand up. You too? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yeah. You please are going to get in groups, and you are going to enter the word on ChatGPT. There is a textbook, right? You enter the word, but before you enter the word, you say, Please, tell me what is the correct pronunciation of this word, yeah? So you give the prompt on ChatGPT, you say the prompt. ChatGPT, I am going to give you a list of words and I want you to tell me the correct pronunciation. Then I am going to say the word and you please correct. Tell me if I am saying the word correctly. If I'm making mistakes, please tell me how do I have to do to make it correct. Yeah? Until you say the word and ChatGPT says, yes, that's the correct pronunciation. And then I am going to be going through your groups, trying to see if you pronounce correctly or if you are still making mistakes. Yeah? I am going to organize the groups now. So you are 2, 4, 6, 7 people, and you are 2, 4, 6, 8, 7. Okay, Xiaomi, tell me the word that you don't know how, you didn't know. Which one? Unfortunate. Yeah. Another one?
Available.
Isaac, a word that you didn't know how to pronounce? Share. Search. Mati you. Galaxy C. Please. Which one? Magazine. Martin? At the very beginning you had no idea how to pronounce this. And now? How do you say this? Almost. Carlitos, you were struggling with this word too. Good. And you? It said that you should have emphasis in the second syllable. Unfortunate. Yeah? Unfortunate. Look, there are some times, like in this, where the T doesn't sound like a T. Yeah. Future. Exactly. This is like future. The other one. This one. We don't say D, like D, schedule. Say schedule, right? So the emphasis, the same in this case.
Teacher,
Yes?
what is the meaning of schedule?
Schedule is that where you have from 7 to 8, math. From 9 to 10, break time. That is in this case we have the same. Unfortunately, the T has been stressed. Juanito, how do you read this? The second. Correct. Mr. Search. Mati? Magazines, correct. Dori, you have this one? Did you have this? Or who told me this? You. It was no, again. Please. Pulitzer. Yeah? Yes, it's a name. So if you say this in thank you, Dori. If you say this in Español, suena el Pulitzer. But in English, it is the Pulitzer. Yeah? Joaquin. Correct. Carlitos? Sherwin. You? Mr. Rosales? Correct. Carlitos? Journalist. Alright, nice. We also have this one. Who told me groundbreaking? You. No. Who told me? Sorry, how do you read that? Groundbreaking. Look, you said lead, correct. This one, who told me this? Diego? That was yours? Headline, correct. Mr. Mejia? New was correct. And this one, Adriano? Perfect. This team kinda construct.
Construct.
It's not with E. This is not a soft T. This is a strong one. Construct. Yeah? All right, good. Excellent job.